These are snowmen printed on a 3D printer. Hello, I'm Peter, and in this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily print your own snowman. You can find the link to the STL files in the video description. I created the model in Blender, designing it to accommodate an LED light inside its body. The body, as well as the upper part of the hat and the ribbon on the hat, should be printed using vase mode settings. In your print settings, enable vase mode or spiral mode depending on the slicer you're using. It's also advisable to set the width of the external perimeter to 0.8 mm, which a 0.4 mm nozzle should handle. I printed the body with a layer height of 0.15 mm to make the individual layers less visible. Other parts such as coal, arms, carrot, and the lower part of the hat are printed with a normal mode 15% infill and the same high layer height of 0.15 mm. After printing, the individual parts should fit into the body and you can secure them with glue. The hat consists of 3 parts. First, insert the lower part onto the snowman's head, then the ribbon, and finally the upper part of the hat. Some patience is needed when inserting the coal into the body. Carrot and arms can simply be slotted in. There is also an STL file available for printing a holder for a tea light LED candle on which you can place the snowman. Assembly should take no more than a few minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks to everyone for the support.